welcome to my channel, ThenamesBria. Today I'll be showing you how I got this very simple tangerine inspired spring summer look. This is definitely one of my go-to looks for this time of year, especially because orange is my favorite color. But yeah. Before we get started, if you are not already, hit that subscribe button, and then after that hit the little bell so you can always be notified when I make a new post. Now, if you would like to see how I achieve this, let's go ahead. Not too much detail on this because you guys probably already know by now, but I go in with my concealer using a darker shade, then a lighter. I also use the lighter shade down my nose bridge and blend it both out before using a very dime size amount of foundation and blending it. Starting off with this light orange shade from NYX, I am focusing it in my crease as this will be my transition color. Do try to keep this as close to the crease as possible, as this will give depth to the eye instead of looking like one big orange eye. Next, going into my Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm taking both the light and dark orange shades and buffing them both over my lid, starting with the lightest, then onto the darkest. I finished the eye by going back through my crease with my original shade from NYX, as well as applying an inner corner highlight using the color Pulsar. Moving on, I set my face with the Warmth bronzer from Ulta under my eyes and on my nose. I'm not oily, so I more so do this for transfer purposes. I also did a subtle contour around my jawline, only on my jaw though because I like this to look pretty natural. Onto my cheeks, I prep my face with a cream blush as powder can be a little bit drying for me before going back over it with this lovely orangey peachy shade. I like to buff that along my cheeks, blend it out, and I also put a little bit on my nose as I just think that's cute and it gives warmth. For highlight, I am using this rose gold shade and doing it on my cheekbones, down my nose bridge, above my lip, middle of my forehead. Y'all know the drill. I set my face with the Mario Badescu spray before moving on to my lips. I start by lining my mouth with the brown shade Hot Cocoa from the company Kleancolor before moving on to fill my lips in with both the pencil and lipstick versions of the color Nom Nom from AOA Studios. And that's a wrap. I told you this look is pretty simple. It's definitely my go-to. Like, this is actually one that I can pair with a lot of stuff. So I actually just look. So I'm very, very happy that I was able to share it with you guys. If you liked, please give me a thumbs up, comment. Again, if you're not already, subscribe, hit that bell so you can always be notified when I make a new post. And I will see you next week. Bye-bye.